Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Oh, my Lord, I am Hussain ibn Ali, I am your Prophet's grandson, and here is the tomb of your honorable Prophet. And I am the only memento of him, O God. You're aware of what I'm facing, and you know I have always fought against oppression and corruption. So, for the sake of your honorable Prophet, help me in my responsibilities and free me from this state. O Lord of all the beings.
We are going to depart now. Test anybody be left behind. Come on, we're going to depart. Make sure you don't leave behind. Come on, be careful. We are going to depart now. Test anybody be left behind. Come on, we're going to depart. Make sure you don't leave behind. Come on, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
I'll get tired. 6 years ago, the Prophet of Islam moved from Mecca to Medina for the fear of the pagans and his being killed. Now, Hussain ibn Ali, the grandson of the honorable Prophet, travels the same road towards Mecca, due to the oppression of Yazid ibn Muawiyah.
Oh, Hussain ibn Ali. Where are we now? What mysterious land this is?
Yes, it's a strange place.
It is as through the sky and earth of this land have been colored with the blood. Let me see, old man. Have we come the right way according to the signs so far?
Yes, this is the same mountain I've always seen, but it is different from before. Let's leave this place as soon as possible. Ah, water. Ah, water.
What happened, man? Muslim, please stop. Get up, man.
What's the matter with him? What has happened?
He cannot go on. The old man has collapsed.
The storm will begin soon.
سبحان ربي الله أكبر سبحان ربي الأعلى.
I wonder if I can deliver Imam's letter to the people who deserve it.
What has happened to this old man? Where is he going?
Yes, that's right. This is Kibir Oasis. We're saved.
Thank God. Oh my God.
Water.
This is sublime paradise. If we weren't in a hurry to deliver Imam's letter, we would have stayed here for a while.
Oh, Muslim. Forgive me. I'll be back soon. We've lost the way and I'm afraid of dying in desert.
But you have told us that you would take us to Kufa. How can we find the way then?
To find their way, go towards the sun.
Where is this ailing old man from?
Iraq or maybe from Kufa. Does Imam really rely on these people's allegiance? The people of Kufa have abandoned his father and brother many times. So how come?
Didn't you see those hundreds of letters they had sent for Imam? They had said that they weren't satisfied with the governor of Kufa. They didn't consider Yazid as the caliph and they had set their hearts on Hussein ibn Ali's imamate.
These people are renegades. What if they don't maintain their faith?
Imam has sent us to verify the same thing. Come back to Mecca and tell Imam that this message would be delivered a bit later. Perhaps he will reschedule his trip.
What will happen to you alone? In the desert?
It shouldn't be a long way to Kufa. I know some Shiites there who can help me. Let's see what destiny holds in store.
Look over there.
What a beautiful gazelle. Great.